Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a list on Mailchimp. Now, creating a list in Mailchimp is very crucial, especially when it comes to your audience. You need always to have a list of audience in your website. Now, how to make that? It's very easy. You simply have to go ahead and click on Add Contact and click on Import Contact through here. Of course, you can do that from this button or this button. There are several ways to do so. Choose the one that suits you the best, or basically that is shown to you. Here I'm going to go with this one, and what I'm going to do next is very easy. I'm going to go here, I'm going to choose copy and paste, continue, and this method is basically for those who are willing to write the context by themselves, or copy paste them. Here we can go back, and I will show you several other ways to do so. We can also use a third-party app, import from another service, helps ensure data between Mailchimp and your third-party app automatically synchronization. Here the second, upload the file. You can use CSV or tab delimited text files. Be sure files are formatted properly and the data is clean. So we can choose one of these three, then click on continue, import the list of contacts that you have, and you will have them all right here in this area. We made videos about that, so make sure to check them out. You can have many ideas about how you can do so. Of course, there's another way, which is not by adding contact, but by creating a sign up form, which is will be working for you automatically. Whenever someone sign ups, will be added in this list right here. This is has to be done by a pop-up, so make sure to choose our channel as a baseline to go back and to watch videos about the pop-up forms that we made, because they will help you a lot to understand how they work, how to add them to your website, and how you can manage the automations of them. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you in the next video.